Running a sign making or CNC routing operation and dealing with XOT files? This is an output format from Xnetech's specialized sign production software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Xnetech job output files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your XOT file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. XOT files are job output files generated by Xnetech software used in the sign making and CNC routing industry. They contain processed job data, including toolpaths, cutting parameters, material specifications, and production instructions for Xnetech sign manufacturing equipment and routing machinery. XOT files use a proprietary binary format defined by Xnetech storing complete job production data, including vector geometry, toolpath, coordinates, spindle speeds, feed rates, material thickness, and machine-specific parameters required for accurate sign cutting and routing operations on Xnetech compatible hardware. Xenetech Graphic Workstation from Xenetech offers a certified solution for the XOT file type. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows may give a quick look, but proper work must be done in dedicated design applications. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the XOT file and choose Open With. Use Xenetech Graphic Workstation first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If you are still having trouble opening the XOT file, do not worry. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this XOT error before we apply the universal fix. First, opening an Xnetech software. Launch the Xnetech sign-making software suite and use File then Open to load the XOT file. The application displays the job with all toolpaths, material settings, and production parameters intact, ready for review modification or sending to connected CNC routing equipment for production. Next, importing into EnRoute. Try opening the XOT file in EnRoute CAD/CAM software, which supports various sign industry formats. Use File then Import and select the XOT file. EnRoute may translate the toolpaths and geometry for editing and toolpath regeneration in its sign-making and routing workflow environment. Finally, requesting conversion. Contact the original sender or Xnetech technical support to request conversion of the XOT file to a standard format like DXF or G-code. Standard formats can be opened in widely available CAM software like vCarve Pro or Aspire, enabling production on alternative CNC routing equipment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.